Today, we're discussing a critical shift in our operational landscape, one that directly impacts patient safety, compliance, and the very tools we use to prevent infection. We are focusing on a significant regulatory change that now classifies the products we use to clean and disinfect medical devices as medical devices themselves. This change is governed by a new European framework known as the Medical Device Regulation, or MDR. While this regulation originates from outside our walls, its implications are felt deeply within every department of our hospital. Our goal today is to understand what this means for our procurement, our protocols, and most importantly, for our patients. Let's start with the most fundamental change: scope. Under this new regulation, a product is defined by its intended purpose. If a disinfectant's label states it is for disinfecting surgical scissors or for sterilizing endoscopes, it is now legally considered a medical device. This is a crucial distinction. A general-purpose cleaner used on a hospital bed is not in scope, but one intended for a specific medical instrument is. This changes how we select and validate every cleaning agent in our sterile processing departments. This leads us to classification. The risk level of a product determines the rigor of its testing and certification. For example, a disinfectant used on invasive devices, like surgical instruments that enter the body, is classified as high risk. A disinfectant for non-invasive devices is classified as medium risk. Most routine cleaning agents are considered low risk. Why does this matter to us? Because the classification assures us that the products we use have undergone a level of scrutiny commensurate with the risk they mitigate. It provides a structured framework for safety. A cornerstone of this new regulation is the clinical evaluation. For us, this is our assurance. It means that manufacturers must now systematically prove, with validated data, that their product is effective, safe, and compatible with our expensive medical equipment. This is no longer about marketing claims. It's about scientific evidence that directly supports our infection control protocols. Furthermore, the MDR mandates robust post-market surveillance. This means manufacturers must actively monitor their product's performance in the real world, like here in our hospital. If a serious incident occurs, they are obligated to investigate and report it within strict timelines. This creates a more responsive system where problems are identified and addressed rapidly, enhancing our ability to protect patients from potential harm. For our procurement and supply chain teams, this change is profound. The rules now place specific legal obligations on distributors. They must verify that the products we buy have the correct certification, are stored and transported correctly, and are fully traceable. This adds a vital layer of security to our supply chain. We must also be aware of labeling. You will begin to see changes. Labels will become more comprehensive, potentially including multi-page leaflets to accommodate all the legally required safety and usage information. This isn't clutter. It is enhanced communication designed to ensure our staff uses these products correctly and safely every time. Finally, we must understand dual use. A single disinfectant might be regulated for use on medical devices and also for general surface cleaning. In these cases, the product must meet the stringent requirements of both medical device and biocide regulations. For us, this means we can have confidence in its efficacy across multiple applications, provided it is used as directed. In conclusion, this regulatory evolution is not merely a bureaucratic hurdle, it is a patient safety initiative. It demands a higher standard of evidence, transparency, and accountability from the industry that supplies our essential cleaning and disinfection products. By understanding these changes, we can make more informed purchasing decisions, strengthen our infection prevention strategies, and reinforce the culture of safety that is the foundation of our hospital. This is ultimately about ensuring that every tool we use, from the scalpel to the solution that cleans it, contributes to our unwavering mission: providing safe, high-quality care. I hope you enjoyed the video. Would appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can reach more listeners like yourself. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and continue exploring the world of healthcare with us. I remain your host, Sunday Clement. Thanks for listening.